Cruz Tools. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
Ian here with Cruz Tools, and this is the SpeedKIT HD. This is a bike-specific toolkit for Harley-Davidson. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The SpeedKIT includes a tire pressure gauge, Allen drive tools, a 10mm nut driver, Torx bits, a screwdriver with interchangeable bits, a 5/8 and 13/16 spark plug tool along with the driver for it, a set of SAE wrenches, and slip jaw pliers. The SpeedKIT is our smallest toolkit that's designed to be one step above an OEM motorcycle toolkit. All these tools are covered with our lifetime guarantee and no questions asked warranty. With Cruz Tools, you can fix it.
Cruz Tools. You can fix it.